guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Berjan, and in today's video I'll be doing a wash day on my natural hair using some amazing products called Donna's Recipe by Tabitha Brown. I'm super excited to try these products out for the first time, so if you guys want to get to know them a little better, keep watching. First product that I did purchase was the Extra Creamy Moisturizing Shampoo. This shampoo is made with sweet potatoes, vanilla extract, and warm cinnamon. The next product that I purchased was the Extra Creamy Leave-In Conditioner. If you know me, you know I love a good leave-in conditioner after I wash my hair with shampoo. I love to detangle my hair with a good leave-in conditioner, and it just keeps my hair healthy and more moisturized. So I didn't buy the actual conditioner, I just bought leave-in conditioner because that's what I like. So the next product that I picked up was the Extra Creamy Hair Cream. I'm super excited to try this one out for like twist styles on my natural hair. The next product I got was the Strengthening Hair Oil. I love a good hair oil for growth, moisturizing, and just keeping my hair healthy in general. And I've tried a lot out there, and I've read good things up on this one because it's not thick and heavy. It's just a light oil for your hair to keep your hair moisturized and to help it grow. So I'm super excited to try this product out. Not only does it stimulate the follicles of your hair growth, it also contains amazing ingredients such as vitamin E oil, aloe vera, tea tree, grape seed oil. So all of these things are amazing for your hair and will keep it moisturized and growing. Okay, so I'm super excited to try this. Thank you, Auntie Tab. I can't wait. Like, I'm just so excited to try these products out on my hair. And without further ado, let's get into this wash day.
Okay, beauties, so first I'm going to be damping my hair with lukewarm water just to get it nice and ready for the shampoo and conditioner. When washing my hair, I always like to start at the root of my hair and then work my way down to my ends. Now let's get into this leave-in conditioner. When using a leave-in conditioner, there's no need to wash it out. The purpose of a leave-in conditioner is to hydrate your hair and add more moisture. I really like this leave-in conditioner because it was very lightweight. I decided to use a wide tooth comb while detangling my hair. This usually takes up to 5 minutes. I also like to use a damming brush when detangling my hair. I find this brush to be very comfortable and helps define my curls. To pull my hair back, I'll be using a non-elastic scrunchie. My mom makes these scrunchies out of her stockings, and honestly, I find them very protective for my natural hair. Out the shower fresh, I let my hair air dry for a couple hours, and now it's time to get into moisturizing my hair. I will be taking Donna's Recipe Strengthening Hair Oil. I really like this hair oil because it helps promote natural hair growth. I don't know about y'all, but I will be having inches of long natural hair in 2024. So I've sectioned my hair off on both sides, and I'm going in with the Extra Creamy Hair Cream. I love this hair cream because it's very lightweight and it absorbs quickly in my hair. Today we're going to be doing a quick little twist out on my natural hair. I like to do flat twists on my natural hair because it comes out so pretty.
Alright you guys, so I am officially done with my twist out. I decided to do flat twist on my hair. Now I'm just going to let this dry and see how it turns out for the next day. Stay tuned. It's day 2. I took my twist out and this is the final result of my hair. I love it so much. It feels so soft and smells so good, and my curls are really popping. I highly recommend that you guys try Donna's Recipe by Tabitha Brown. These hair products are amazing and I am just so happy that I tried them out. I like to wear my hair in a fro and kind of like pick it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Bergeon Biondi, Fashion, Beauty, and Lifestyle. If you guys have any questions about the products that I use, please comment down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.